Shit, let's see if this is good. This probably, yeah, that's probably good enough. I don't know if y'all can see me if not, but right now it's like what, Friday, just got off work, shower, dropped the girl off. About to go to this little car meet. Eastside Tuners are fucking, they're hosting this one. Started at 5:30, I'm about to be there around 6. 30-minute drive from where I was. But yeah, once I get there, I'm gonna fucking record, see what kind of cars we got going on there right now. But yeah, right now we stuck in the fucking rush hour. Motherfucking rush hour, my guy. What the fuck? I gotta put my shit in the neutral though. Man, I'll hit y'all when we get there. Oh my god. Got the Corvette badge on the back. Oh my god.
I'm in the most right lane. Cars are starting to move. I got my blinker on, so I'm going slow, getting ready to make my turn. You see it's fucking moving.
This shit fire. Little Subi.
I can't stop somebody behind me.
Yes, sir. Wheel hop. Them boys, big boy wheel hopping. Front wheel drive burnout. That shit crazy. Oh, Mini Cooper S. This shit. Stick to, okay. Motherfucking Evo. Okay. Bigger intercooler, I see it. That shit crazy too. Yes, sir. That shit nice in here. Yes, sir. I think he lived by my house all the time. He probably do. Sheesh. Sheesh. Yes, sir.
Just me and the hospital.
Palpitations.
Hey guys.
It's gonna sit under the lip. But one of these days, it's just gonna air completely out and crush this kid.
Air it out.
It's just gonna air completely out one day and crush that. That's 50 CSI.
No.
I've been seeing more of these now. Like they've been popping up more here.
It's rare to see one.
Not a couple I see.
Yeah, give me one sec. There used to be a black screen. Put one more format.
Yes, sir.
So I'm doing that, he's honking his horn, being a dick and shit. Fucking, and like, he's like, no, fuck you. I would car myself. He gets in the car.
That shit clean too. Sheesh. We at the drag strip. I think it's a drag strip, yeah. I never been here before, so we about to see where we even park at. Grandstand and stock, car pits, drag race, handicap parking, VIP parking, grandstand. Damn, I don't even know if I got GoPro, so I gotta pay. I don't even got cash on right now. We'll see. I'll get some fucking recording, hit a few. I mean, this shit packed, mad fucking cars, like fucking everywhere, bro. I don't know if y'all can see that. I don't know if those NASCARs or no, I don't know what it is. Oh, almost I got that on camera. I don't even know if y'all can see that. Brody just fucking spun out. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, he about to catch up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he getting crazy. I just got here late as fuck, but it's stopping right now. This dude slow, boy. I'll skin this nigga right now. Look at that. changed cars. I don't know what the fuck these are. To hear you, hold on, these cars about to pass by. Bro almost crashed. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Yo, dude almost crashed. That boy almost crashed the whole time. Bro, these joints really built crazy though, bro. Like these just really built crazy. It's crazy how they build these shits. Oh, they lining up over there, I think. It's a whole nother set or a different set of cars. But now they got the little 4-bankers, little 4-cylinders out there. Okay. Look at these little sets. Okay, that's a Honda? Yes, sir. Okay, a Taggy? Cobalt. Oh my gosh. What else we got? That's a Camry? That wasn't even a Camry, what the fuck? They about to get crazy. Oh shit. They about to rip it. Bangers. What the fuck, boy? That Taggy on his ass. Boy, that Tegra on his ass, boy. This corner's crazy. Man, this thing. Tegra need to catch up. Oh, yeah. Shit, yeah, that might be the end of this video. That car meet was, it was type dead. It was some good cars, some heat there, but other than that, it was pretty dead. But that's what happens when you do a short notice. Next time they should like put the flyer out like a fucking week before. But yeah. That's the end of this video, most likely. If there's another car meet later tonight, I might just continue the video on from that. But other than that, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.